In the last video, when you saw us lower this car, my buddy dropped it on an 18-inch work, what are they? LS207. Work LS207s. He's gonna get spacers for it. What inch spacers? What inch? 1 inch? 1 inch spacers. It's cameraing a little bit. Did you get an alignment?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for my spacers.
Got his little charm. That's his company. No soul. Keep an eye out for it. But this thing is official. You put the clear corners in. God, this thing is just so fucking beautiful. Look at it. Man. Okay, so what I'm about to do right now, it is, well, it doesn't even tell you the temperature in here, does it? Well, it says it's 87 inside the car, but as you can see that I'm sweating, it is way, way hotter than it says it is. Oh fuck, she needs gas. Let's see if I can scrape up some money and get my mom some gas. So I'm gonna clean up my mom's car. I'm gonna wash the outside, wash the inside. Well, not wash the inside, but you know what I mean. And then clean the windows and wax it and get my mom's car looking nice and clean, because I'll show you right now. This is my mom's car. Look at how dirty this is. I can't have my mom rolling like this. Look at all the stuff in the glass. It's a good thing I'm borrowing my buddy's pressure washer. Look at ew, so dirty. But yeah, I clean my mom's car. Probably try to see if I can restore these headlights with the polishing, degrease the rims, make it look all nice and clean. But yeah, so that's what I got going on today, because everybody at Louise's house, well, just Louise, is lazy as fuck. So let's get started. As you can see, finished it up. The video doesn't do it justice, but that motherfucker is shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny. I don't think I've ever seen it shine that bright since she got it brand new. It was well overdue for a fucking wax. Yep. It's hot today. All it leaves me to do now is just put everything fucking away. And I'm already too tired and lazy to do so. Prelude. Too tired to do so. Someone do it for me.
He changed out the coolant neck. The coolant neck is from the Odyssey, so it fits the hose.
H23 and a Honda Odyssey. My boy Sam, his Instagram will be right here.
Cali H-Dub trade.
Did you dyno it yet?
Nah, I still have to tune and shit for it. It's on a Honda S300 with the Bluetooth, so because I don't have a tachometer, I don't know how much I'm shifting, so I just have my phone holder and shit with my Honda app open through the Bluetooth, and it'll just tell me how much I'm revving to and shit.
It's like 8 in the morning. This motherfucker. What are you laughing about for? Because I started recording? Louise wakes me up and says, hey, come outside, I'm doing yard work. Did you just fart?
No.
He says, hey, come outside, I'm doing yard work. I said, all right.
I'm doing yard work.
Oh yeah, you look like you're doing it all right.
I just did
Boy, if you don't get your butt back inside, go. Get your butt back inside. Give me your nose.
My race car?
Huh?
Show your viewers my race car?
Oh yeah, I got it on camera right now.
My race car, boy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Lightweight with
You still haven't fixed that?
No, well, this is the way it's supposed to be.
Where did he go?
I think we're in 7.
Oh.
Wake up 11.
Oh. Just wanted to tell you guys, I got a big announcement right now. I just got sponsored by Activio Racing. So if there's 2 spots open for the Midwest, and there's 2 spots open for the East Coast. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here, or his Instagram right here. Send him a DM, and he's gonna email you a form if you guys get in. So like I said, there's only 2 spots on the East Coast, on the West Coast that's taken, which is me and Deaf Guy EJ9. And then there's 2 spots for the Midwest, and there's 2 spots for the East Coast. So if you want to be sponsored by Activio Racing and get some apparel and rock his brand and support him, I will put everything down below just in the description on how you need to do this and what you need to do. You need to you need to fill out a form, and then you send it out to him. He sends you a release form for like terms of agreement. You sign that out, and then you start getting your merchandise, and you have to send them photos of you rocking the merchandise at events and stuff like that. But I got sponsored. I'm extremely happy. I still can't believe it, and this is good. This is good news for me. This means that things are finally going up for me. You know, like my whole life has been kind of ass, but things are finally starting to take up, which is really cool for me. Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a while since I started filming because there's literally nothing to do. I mean, I could take this out and wash it, but I don't have a battery. As of now, just been looking for stuff to do. I've just been collecting parts. I just got some new PCI toe kits with, I'm gonna butcher this word, spherical bearings. I got a new piece for my welder's mask because the old one was trash. Look at the difference. This one is all scarred up and that one's not. So now I can start welding again. Somebody, I forget who told me, somebody told me stop using grinding discs like these and start using flap discs like this in order to get the smooth welds. The whole time I was using a grinding wheel like some dumbass. And I was like, well, fuck, you gotta grind it, then you gotta sand it. That's a lot of work. So I guess what I'll do today is I'll continue to do what I'm doing secretly. I've been working on something secretly. I'm gonna only post it on my Instagram. If I get a lot of feedback on it, I'll show you how to do it in a video. But the only hint I'm gonna give you guys on what I'm doing is ECU. That is it. That is the only thing I'm gonna be telling you about what I'm doing. And no, I'm not getting it chipped or tuned or anything like that. I'm doing something completely different, something that I've never seen done before on an ECU. And it's something that's been kind of like a dream of mine, I guess you could say, because I come from like a nerdy background. So I want to do something different, completely different. I'm just waiting on the rest of the parts to show up for it. And it's a lot of work, a lot of modification. So if I fuck it up, then you guys can laugh. Now, if you guys know, we were supposed to be taking out Luis's motor out of his car, like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years ago. But he's lazy. Hence the reason why I named the channel Lazymangarage is not because of me, but I kind of named it after him because it's kind of like a goof towards him because I always call him, say that he's lazy, you know? But just waiting on him. Don't know where he's at. Supposed to drop the engine out so that way I can give him his new pieces that I got from him. Thank you again, FF_Mayhem. His Instagram will be right here. If you guys need any charge cables, anything like that has to do with battery terminals, new grounds, new terminals, new charge cables, go to him. Tell him I sent you. Great work. I will show you guys the work when I get it. He should be shipping it this week. I've already seen the pictures. Louise has no idea that I'm getting these for him. And I think I want to keep it that way until he sees it. Also, I got a surprise from my friend Nick. I bought him something for his 240. I don't think he has an idea what it is, but I've just been waiting on him. He's been busy, so it's just been like I'm trying to fit into people's schedules in order to give them the things that I got them secretly. And I got to send out, which I'm not going to show you the address on the front, but I got to send out my release form for my sponsorship. So that's pretty much what's going down this week. I know it's pretty slow. There ain't much to do. I mean, other than that ECU thing I'm working on, but it is what it is. Just to give you guys a heads up of what FF Mayhem's work looks like. Here's a few pictures right here I'm going to put right here so you guys can just stare at this section right here. So while you guys do that and just stare at his work, I'm going to light a cigarette. This one's my favorite. And this one right here is the one that I'm getting Louise for his surprise. I asked FF Mayhem if he could help me out with this, and he said no problem. So if you guys want to get a charge harness, ground cable, new battery terminals for your ride and for your build, and keep it a secret because he can keep it discreet if you want. Here's his Instagram right here. Please make sure to go follow him, give him a like, tell him Chris sent you, or Lazymangarage. So like I was saying, look who shows up, Nick, and there goes Louise. They're finally here. Nick, stay right here, I got something for you. Okay? Alright, champ, here you go.
Shit. Mickey unwrapped it like 4 times. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at Nick is opening his gift.
Little P2M Motorsports, I like it.
I hope it's duct tape.
Package inside a package with packaging.
That's the way to do it. I should have brought him a knife.
I know.
A jagu.
Come on, Bo.
You're gonna have to skip through all this unwrapping.
Alright, Nick, now that it took you like 15 hours, what is it?
Oh, it's the heat shield for the brake booster. Keep everything nice and cool.
You gonna install it today?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright, go ahead.
Daddy better make me show better. Help me, fuck me. My turtle loves a deep throat. Lick, 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 lick. I.
What?
Oh, shit.
That was Robert.
What the fuck? No, put this in back on. Put this in back on. I'm gonna get Snapchat. Put this in back on.
show dick, but I can't.
Yo, what the fuck?
Don't need a pen or a
So I'ma pick it up with chops.
Okay, so I want you guys to know that I come from a gaming background, so I've been always wanted to build a gaming computer, but I don't have the kind of funds for that, so this is what I did instead. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. My name is Chris, and I'm from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace. I made my ECU look like a built computer, so in the nighttime, it's gonna look like that. Clear case, painted the outside, got a clear case for the bottom, but LED strip. And here's the thing, that it's powered by AA batteries, so I could just tuck it away, turn it on and off if I ever need to. Off, on, so that way you guys can see. It's double-sided adhesive tape. Made a hole on this side right here for the wires to come out. Grinded down these tabs that are right there, and there, and there, and there, and there was a bar that went across. Got rid of that bar because that would be in the way. So yeah, that's how it looks. Benin, thank you again. So what do you guys think?